Good morning, Donnie.
Good morning, pretty girl.
So we're up not too early on a Saturday.
Yeah, I woke up at like 5 minutes before the alarm clock.
Yeah, we had the alarm set for 8. I woke up about 15 minutes before. So we are in the GMC this morning, you might note. We are going to meet up with Kyle, our friend from Out of Spec Motoring, and help him move a few pieces of furniture up to his new office location at the track up at NC Car. And should be a pretty day to be in the car for a drive.
Yeah, we'll have to stop and buy gas.
Oh no!
I even checked the oil this morning.
What's oil?
Yeah, really. He's like, exactly. We got one coming and one going.
It's a farm equipment kind of a morning here. Yeah, they're having to be careful they don't pass too close in the road. What kind of equipment is that?
Those are discs. They're disking.
They're going to till up the dirt?
Till up the dirt.
Okay.
Disc harrows, I think they call them.
Wow. It's big pieces of equipment.
Yeah, well, those things fold down.
Right, I get that. Yep. Yep. And I see the discs on there now, so that makes sense. So we're pulling into the Holly Springs landfill. You know, the GMC has some cardboard in it, except for the day Don goes to the dump and takes the cardboard. So we need to clear that out before we put in other stuff today. Well, Sharon Harris is back online. It's been back online a couple of weeks, but you can really see the steam cloud today.
There we go. You get your word of your day. You get your disgust. That's right. To taste or savor carefully or appreciate. So, while you're pumping gas, you get advertisements from Panera Bread. You know, that's a good thing about Ruby's screen is that, you know, you don't get ads on it. Yeah,
this is not the kind of car that usually pulls up over here. We won't be charging while we're here today either. Get him, Ellie. Get him. Well, Kyle knows where we're going, but boy, did I miss that Tesla navigation. God, I had to navigate on the phone. So it's really pretty out here today, and there's a lot of traffic here on 264 headed east also. You'd be surprised at the amount of traffic. It should be a good day for the solar farm. Lots of nice sun right now. We're here and Don's having fun backing up with no backup camera. Once you've had one, you can't do without. This is the official track transportation mode.
I think I need to get something that fits in my front. Something similar. Like a...
What do you think? Faster, I need more speed.
Oh, I can turn it up. Here you go. Hold on. Connect your swag cycle.
The name of that is still funny.
Oh, I'm connected to him.
He's controlling your speed from his phone.
Hold on, I'm trying to connect to it here, and then I can turn up the speed. You're on the slowest setting. Backs me out. So, all right, so now you're good. Give it, see if it changes anything.
It's rear-wheel drive.
They're talking about Don's GMC. I found my spot. So what is this inside the GMC, Donnie?
That's like a secondary fuse box and the body control computer that controls the roof, the mid gate, the back gate,
all
that extra stuff.
Wow.
That's it.
Ben was curious about the GMC. I guess he's seen it before, but not got to be in it before.
Right.
Watch it do its thing.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Does it have an air compressor?
Yes, it has an air compressor.
It does.
This thing's incredible. Who needs a Cybertruck? This is Cybertruck.
Now
with the
look,
V8.
I'm hoping he's going to replace this with the Cybertruck, so don't give him any ideas he doesn't need it. So when you come to the track, you get to take the electric golf cart out on the track.
You get your best girl.
We got Ben hanging off the front.
We have a what?
We have a gem. One of those like four-door.
A gem car?
Yeah, we have.
Oh, I love those.
Look at all these Teslas.
Yeah, these performance Model 3s, you know, they got to have some charge before they can go home.
It's a thirsty car.
Let's find out.
Now look, if I have to walk in from...
Sorry.
Is there a battery meter? There isn't. This is a budget golf cart. Do you think if I turn the headlights on, we'll...
So Donnie,
No.
this is your first time on the track since track day?
Yeah, but I'm hitting all the apexes this time.
Yeah, hang on, it's coming up. We'll be there in a couple minutes.
Every one.
Oh, this is so much
Radius,
fun.
the least radius, hitting the apex.
What happened?
So how cold is it back there, Kyle? No, not at all? That's kind of funny.
I
If your
think that's a
entire
camera,
body
yeah.
is the car.
Hang
Holding
on.
us in.
Off-roading in the golf cart.
All right, now put your foot down. Let's do it.
Woo!
Is that bump stops? Oh, it feels really fast on gravel.
Yeah, it is definitely.
It likes to grip, huh? It likes something to grip onto. Besides enabling the horn, I think we need to get rid of the reverse noise. The reverse noise is killer.
There's the controller.
Speed cap. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can see heat sink on the back of it.
Run.
Are you having a feeling of deja vu, Donnie? So the guys had so much fun on the other golf cart, they're already looking about for an upgrade.
This one's got knobby tires.
Well, it was an enjoyable day, a fun afternoon. We're having a nice drive into the sunset right now. It's just 5 p.m. It looks later. We're gonna swing by Guardian Angel because tonight is their night where they have their little window lighting and 15% off shopping discount, little special thing going on today. So we made it back to Fuquay in time. We didn't try it, but it worked out to stop and participate in the special Guardian Angel festivities tonight, including the window lighting. Looks great. It does look great. Wow, the unicorn. Pretty spiffy. You getting dessert, Donnie? The band sounds great, but I'm sure I'll be in trouble if I let you hear how good their music is. Copyrights. So we did get a couple of bargains up at Guardian Angel. That was a lot of fun.
That was. I was very impressed. I got a book and 2 sports jackets, I think. And that's like I couldn't decide. And for
$75 minus 15% because there was a special.
It wasn't worth me wasting that much brain power on which one of the 2 I liked better.
Exactly, but we rushed through there because an hour is not really enough time for me, so I was pretty fast in there. I got, my favorite thing was a gold butterfly charm.
And we bought a reef for the front door.
Yep.
Really nice reef with a suction cup hook thing that mounts.
And I got a nice Christmas table runner. It was a good
Yeah,
find.
Very productive.